Hey guys, Mur-Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. Yeah, I was hoping to do a package opening today, but just checking my tracking, I don't think that's going to be in today. So the next best thing I have is this 2-Fox lock for Mur here. And I think, Mur, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm thinking this is the lock that was kind of a tough pick, if I remember correctly. I could be confusing two different locks, but I think you got two of these. Not quite sure. Again, correct me if I'm wrong. I have a bad memory for stuff like that. I watch so many lock sport videos. But anyway, so what I originally wanted to do with this was do a Mur style picking where I turn the camera on and pick this for the first time and hopefully get an open for the first time on camera. Tried to do that, but after 15 minutes I kind of gave up, and I thought, think there's something weird going on with this lock, and I think I can explain it here. So, I still have not got it open for full transparency's sake, but hopefully I can explain what I think is going on, and hopefully maybe we can confirm that. But yeah, hopefully I can get it open. First of all, I have a few people for the studio audience here. we got Chris, we got Jeff, and of course we got Mr. Mur-Lock. Oh, sorry guys. So yeah, let's give this our best, and hopefully I can get my first open on camera, although not my first picking. Like I said, I put maybe 15 minutes into here and gave up and turned the camera on. So normally I'd start with the offset hybrid like this on a Yale style keyway, and we'll go in, and we do get a false set just by putting this pick to the back of the lock. I should show the key. So I think that's these two cuts here, 6 and 4. So we get a false set right away from those two. The problem is, so just by going on this ledge, putting the pick to the back, we get a false set. But when we go to find counter rotation from, I believe, all three of those pins, 6, 5, and 4, might have got a good set there, but maybe we're getting counter rotation from pins that are already set to shear. That's sometimes possible. So I'll go and ignore those and look for anything else. Maybe number 3. And we did get a set out of it, and we dropped a bit of false set, so we go to the back and get more. We look for anything else. 1, 2 is completely loose, as you can probably hear. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, that was 1, 2, and 3. Oh, that was just 1, 2. Anyway, so we look for more counter, and we're on either, I think, 5. Good counter, good counter. And I think we got it set, actually. No. So 5. Try to set it, and we're letting off so much tension that now everything's loose. So can't keep trying the same thing and expecting different results. So I'm going to go, I have this pick here, and I think I might be able to go right from the bottom. Not quite sure. Like I said, I have not gotten this open. Hopefully I get it on this video, but I'm going to get the false set with this, which is, like I said, just putting that pick under it. And you go in with this. Get counter on 3, I believe. I'm going to switch to this actually. Maybe this won't work. Let's start over. Okay, we definitely got a nice turn on the core that time. So I'm going to go back in with the offset hybrid. And yeah, I can't even get under 1. Or okay. I think you guys might know what's going on here. Can't get under 1 or 2. And hopefully I can get this picked and keep it picked and confirm my suspicions on why this is such a weird lock. Oh, I think I got counter on 3 though. Oh, sorry guys. Yeah. I'm winding off a lot of tension though. I'm kind of worried about that. Hopefully I'm in the right place. And I'll just go for it. Nope, did not work. And again, can't get under 1 or 2. So we didn't. Let's see. Okay, there we go. So let's try and keep this open. Let's see what the hell's going on with this freaking thing. I hope this is the one that Mur was having trouble with, because if it's one he just sailed right through, I'll feel like an idiot. Whatever. Mur's a pretty damn good picker, so I don't feel too bad. Okay. Perfect. Now, still picked. I really don't want to lock this up, but we got a friggin' circlip that might be kind of tricky. Yes. And first time using my baby small diameter Sparrows follower. I don't know why they don't cut. Ah, damn it. I don't know why they don't cut a half moon on this friggin' thing. Oh, fuck. God damn it. Well, I think these are drivers from 1 and 2. Freak. Alright. I don't think that's too big of a deal. If those are drivers, and if I doubt there's a standard in 2 and a spool in 1. I think they put the spool right up front. I'll have to check with Mur, or if anyone else knows. Okay. Before I go any further, I should have got my... Where's my tweezers? Oh, there they are. So, yeah. So with the key pin and the driver, I wish they would learn this lesson by now. But in this lock, I think it made it harder than anything. Even though we only had to pick 4 pins, I think it definitely made things tougher for us. Yeah, key pin and driver, totally flush with shear line. Okay, so sorry about the big fat hands in the way. Another thing I wanted to see is, where's my... Am I oversetting 4 when trying to pick 5 off that ledge? And probably so. Kind of looks like it's possible, but it's really close. And then with my this pick, I was able to go right from the bottom. It was tight, but I was able to go from the bottom. Okay. I thought we lost number 1 pin, but it's hiding down there at the bottom. Small pin, very small. Well, at least these are level and not below shear, because then we would have messed up some springs. But there's still an opportunity to do that. Okay, yeah, that's just spring. Just a spring. Really hard to see here, guys. And we already lost the spring from number 2. Maybe I'll go from the back. Again, sorry about the long video, guys. There we go. All these guys are okay. 1 spring left in 5. So, yeah, what a weird lock. So, yeah, these pins, since the drivers and the key pins fit into the plug, and we were at a false set, it would be impossible to lift these up, because the core's turned a little bit, and it's not like you're stuck on the middle of a spool where it'll counter rotate. You'd have to manually counter rotate, and technically this should be the first binder, because it's not a spool. It's not always the case, of course. Let's repopulate some of these. Yeah, so the spool wouldn't really come into play in these 2 chambers. Sorry about the focus, guys. But they should have came into play in all the other chambers. So you would think you would think this would be the first binder, but since it's below shear, or at shear, and even then I had to pick this up to get under it, so it's very weird that this didn't bind. So maybe combination of, I hate to say not so good tolerances, but I mean it's possible in any lock, even in ABIS. Combination of that and these being flush with shear, I think this made the lock harder. Kind of goes against the grain, since you know it takes 2 chambers out of play, but yeah, combination of not being able to get under them and it kind of really changing the binding order, I think that's why this is a really weird lock. Thanks for sending it to me, Mur. I know you like to, again, I hope this is the friggin' lock I'm thinking it is. I'll have to go back and check. I should have checked before doing this video. Kind of saved myself from looking like an idiot, but whatever, I don't care. I don't care about looking like an idiot sometimes. Happens to the best of us. Again, sorry for the long video, guys. Appreciate you sticking with me through the whole thing. And yeah, really curious to know what you guys think about this lock. And Mur, let me know if let me know what you think, and let me know if this is indeed the lock that you got 2 of, and that they were both extremely stupid tough. Again, yeah, if I would have filmed the whole thing, I would be at 30 minutes by now at least, so yeah. And I'm kind of waffling on, using extra time to explain shit, but anyways, thanks for the locks, buddy, and let me know what you think, guys. Appreciate everyone sticking with me, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care, guys.